I'm going to cut that tree down. But as I was saying, there's going to be this one special phrase that will set everything into motion. Cadunt sub potestate mea. Cadunt sub potestate mea. Cadunt sub potestate mea. Cadunt sub potestate mea. Fall under my control in Latin. So this will be the day that the Avengers and all of the Marvel characters come under my control, and we will work to eliminate evildoers before they are ever able to do their evil acts. We can see what they want to do before they do it. I can see the YouTube comment some people are going to make before they ever make it, and they'll have to say goodbye to their account. There will be a server error before they're ever even able to post whatever nasty comment they want to post.